Hey you, my name is Shanka and today we're here with a very special episode for you. So 3D design has always been a thing for me. It's been a hobby for me since I was a little kid. So basically the story is my dad would always take me to his office because I was in elementary, right? And he very well couldn't leave dangerously smart little kid at home by himself, probably gonna burn the house down. So I would use a computer and I would get into the computer aided design program that they had there, AutoCAD 2000, and I got into 3D modeling there. Granted, I wasn't really all that great at it back then. I was just bumbling around doing what I wanted to do, and it wasn't really anything significant, but I've been honing the craft for a while, and now, quite recently, additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, became a big thing. And basically, there are a lot of companies now, a lot of small groups that are providing 3D printing facilities for commercial use as well as for non-commercial use. Um, my school, UMD, actually has an entire division, an entire facility, an entire whatever you want to call it, department that's devoted to taking care of an entire lab of 3D printers, and that's a cool thing. So for this year, I've actually gotten back, like seriously, gotten back into 3D design, and those of you who follow me on Facebook probably know that I'm planning on establishing a little bit of a merchandise line on a partner website called shapeways.com. It's a resource for 3D designers who want to make their designs into some reality, into a item that you can hold in your hands and be all like, hey, this is something that's cool. It's made out of plastic and it was burned into sticky paste that hardened into some beautiful thing. So yeah, so I've been studying additive manufacturing on my own time, and also partially because of a class that I'm in, Intro to Engineering Design. So yeah, I've been doing that. I've been getting used to the manufacturing process, and this is actually one of my first prints. Look at that tiny guy. Yeah. So some of you guys might know how big my hand is, some of you might not. So that's how tiny that thing is. And the camera can't really get it, but it has detail all the way down to the smallest millimeter. So this was actually a fail because it's too thin and the the printer couldn't really process it that well. But a second second attempt at it, I tried it a little bit bigger. This is 50 millimeters in radius. I mean in diameter. So yep, that thing's big. But as you can see, there's like tears inside. So like this middle piece is actually really thin. That's why it couldn't print properly, and that's something that I'm going to take into account for my next designs. So this is a relatively cheap thing. This one actually cost me 19 cents, and this one is actually just $1. So it's a cool thing. Additive manufacturing is a really cool thing. If you know how to design, and if you have a really good sense of scale, this is a good thing for you to try. It's really cheap, actually. Shapeways can help you get into it, and if you want to like actually have something printed and delivered to your place. I did these on school labs, so I got mine done a little bit quicker. Anything you can design, 3D printers can print, as long as they're not too tiny or something. They actually got this one pretty close, so that's completely fine. So update. Those of you who are enthusiastic about me doing that merchandising thing, the 3D printing merchandise, don't worry, I will get to it. I've just been a little bit busy because of school and stuff like that. And I know a lot of you guys who were all like, yay about it. You guys understand the struggle. It's school. You know? And aside from that, that's pretty much it. I liked to do 3D design back then, and I still like 3D design now, and I am doing stuff with it, apparently. So yeah, first actual product might come out, I don't know. I don't really have a set schedule as of yet, because I'm still getting the kinks through, because barely second attempt and it's still messed up, as you can see. So yeah, but expect great things. Trust me, it'll be good and it'll be fun, and then you're gonna be all like, whoa, 3D printing is a really big thing. Like, I knew it was a big thing, but now it's like thing. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. And as always, have a good one.